Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raviraj Ramchandra Devde. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My subject is Introduction to Civil Engineering. Topic is effect of over solid waste management and methods of solid waste management. Solid waste management. Solid waste management refers to the organized and systematic handling of solid waste from its generation to its final disposal. It involves to collection and transport, treatment and disposal of solid waste in a manner that minimizes the environmental pollution, protect public health, and conserves the natural resources. And solid waste management aims to promote sustainable waste handling practice and include waste reduction, recycling, proper disposal, while also addressing the social, economic, and environmental impacts of the solid waste generation of disposal. Effects of poor solid waste management. Groundwater contamination, improper disposal of solid waste, particularly if hazardous to it can lead to the contamination of groundwater. When waste lanches liquid that process through waste seep into the ground, it can carry harmful chemicals and pollutants with it, containing groundwater resources. This contamination poses serious risk to the public health, as groundwater is virtual source of drinking water for any communities. Environmental pollution. Improper disposal of solid waste can lead to the pollution of land, water, air. Dumping of waste in open areas or landfills can contaminate soil, groundwater while burning the waste, release the harmful gas and particularly matters into the air. Health risk. Accumulation of solid waste can create the breeding grounds for diseases carrying vectors such as mosquitoes, rats, and flies. This can increase the risk of vector-borne diseases like malaria, dengue, fever, and cholera, especially in densely polluted areas. Air pollution. Improper disposal of methods such as open burning of waste release harmful pollutants and greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This pollutant can be include the particular matter, volatile organic compounds, and deoxygens, which contribute to respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and health issues. Additional to burning of contributes is to quality degradation of clean energy. Aesthetic and economic impact. Uncycling is of garbage can reduce the aesthetic effects of an area, negatively impact tourism and property of values. Additionally, cleaning of improper disposal waste requires to financial and resources that could otherwise located to the other development projects. Social impact. Solid waste management disproportionality of affects vulnerable communities, include those who are living in improper settlements or developing countries. These communities often lack of access for proper waste collection disposal services and leading to the increased exposure to health risk, environmental degradation. Poor waste management can be extrapolated to social inequality and contribute to community and unrest and dissatisfaction. Toxic solid waste, especially hazardous materials and chemicals, can contaminate water bodies, soil, and air, possessing toxic risks to aquatic and land animals. Pollutants such as heavy metals, pesticides, and industrial chemicals can accumulate in animal tissues through a biocommunication and biomagnification, leading to physiological and reproductive problems, immune system procession, and even death. Microplastic resistance. Microplastic, tiny particles less than 5 millimeters in a size, are preservative component of solid waste pollution in an aquatic and terrestrial environment. Animal in a ingest microplastic directly or indirectly through contaminated prey, leading to range of disadvisor effects, including gastrointestinal blockages, inflammation, and interference with nutrients absorption. Methods of solid waste management. Resource reduction, also known as waste prevention or minimization. This approach focus on reducing the amount of waste generated at the source. It involves practice such as reducing the products of use fewer materials, promoting reusable products, and packing, and encourages the consumer to take more sustainable choice. Composting. Composting is the biological decomposition of organic waste materials such as food, scraps, add waste, and agriculture reduces into nutrients-rich compounds. Compositing can be done on the small scale at home or larger scale in centralized facility. Compost can be used as a soil amenitic to improve the soil fertility and structure. Waste separation and collection. Waste separation involves the sorting different types of waste at the source to facilitate recycling and proper disposal. Communities often approved a separated bins for collection system for a recyclable materials, organic waste, or non-recyclable waste. Collection service that transports researched waste to appropriate treatment and facilities. Waste to energy. Waste to energy technology converts solid waste into energy through processes such as inclination, gasification, or pyrolysis. This technology generated by electricity, heat, or fuel from the combustion or gasification of waste materials. WET can help to reduce the value of waste going to landfill while also produce new renewable energy. Landfilling. Landfilling is the most common method disposing of non-reducible and non-compostable waste. Landfills, engineered facilities are designed to safely contain and isolated waste from the environment. Modern and landfill incorporate linear lanchest collection system to a more environmental influence. Thank you.